Welcome to CA Dynamic Capacity Intelligence Architecture Overview video. This video helps you understand CA DCI components, basic architecture and interaction among different components, CA DCI interfaces, and standard setup recommendations. CA DCI components. CA DCI uses a client-server architecture that consists of a single controller and multiple agents that are running on each managed LPAR. Agent. The agent is a data collector on each LPAR. The agent on each LPAR collects resource consumption data for that LPAR. Agents monitor LPAR MSU usage and transmit this information as metadata to the controller. Agents communicate with the controller via TCP/IP. The agent on each LPAR collects MSU data every 15 seconds and sends records to the controller. This is used as a pulse record. The accumulated 15-second data is saved in the agent address space. The agent sends the pre-processed data to the controller every 5 minutes. Some agents will be configured to communicate with the HMC via BCP/II to communicate change requests for capping values. Controller. The controller is a central data collector from all the agents and the prime decision maker for the resource allocation. The controller summarizes and analyzes the data received from the agents. The controller records metadata in the VSAM and USS datasets. This VSAM cluster is commonly referred to as MSU Database or MSU DB. The controller uses the data received from the agents for resource allocation decisions based upon the user-defined policies, and the controller holds the CA DCI configuration data. Web server. CA DCI Web UI runs on the Apache Web Server. The Apache Web Server is provided by IBM as a part of the WebSphere package. Web UI is read-only and does not have write access to the Unix system, so that it eliminates the issue of granting security access. With the Web UI, you cannot make any changes to the CA DCI functionalities. The Web UI fully utilizes your company's pre-existing security access with the web server. You can provide access to managers and administrators in your organization who finds the MSU consumption data valuable. Basic architecture and interaction between components of CA DCI. An agent lives on every LPAR and collects MSU data. Agents communicate with the controller through TCP/IP. TCP/IP enables cross-CEC communications among LPARs to support IBM's country multiplex pricing offering. Communications between components can be secured with AT/TLS secure configurations. All of the data that is communicated among components is only numerical performance data that ensures the minimum security risk. The controller can run on any LPAR, but it needs to run on a stable LPAR to guarantee adequate service to conduct management operations without interruption. The controller runs a decision cycle every 5 minutes and pushes the changes to the service element through BCP/II enabled agents. The 5-minute cycle time is used so as to match the IBM subcapacity reporting tool 5-minute sampling cadence. A BCP/II enabled agent can be any of the deployed data collection agents on any LPAR. The agent includes an additional configuration step to communicate via BCP/II to the HMC. The agent deals with both the request and the response from the service element and reports results to the controller during normal communication cycles. Interfaces. CA DCI includes ISPF and web user interfaces. The ISPF interface is a complete administrative interface for the CA DCI administrator. The Web UI is an interface delivering visualized consumption information for a wider audience, such as operators and managers. ISPF interface. The ISPF interface is a complete administrative interface for all DCI configurations. With the ISPF interface, you can complete CA DCI configurations and administration of CA DCI process. View your mainframe data center system status that are managed by CA DCI. Define policies, policy extensions, alerts, and logs that you can refer to for CA DCI activities. Integrate with CA Mainframe Operational Intelligence. Web Interface. The CA Dynamic Capacity Intelligence Web User Interface provides a centralized point from which to monitor your data center. The Web UI provides both real-time and historic data in the graphical format to help you respond quickly to resolve capacity problems, analyze historic consumption, and plan for future capacity needs. The Web UI provides the following functionalities. View the status of every system in your mainframe environment in a single window and drill down to system details with a single click. View the list of policies and rules that are defined in the policy for each system in your mainframe environment. Offers more than 35 out-of-the-box reports that provide real-time and historic data to help you analyze current MSU consumption and trends. And customize the view of grouping LPARs that helps you quickly identify LPAR locations and helps to analyze LPAR relationships. Standard setup recommendations. Install the controller on a highly available LPAR on ZOS. Run the controller in sysstc class and service class that runs under high WLM importance level, that is WLM importance 1 and 2. Plan for high availability of the controller to guarantee the continuous service of CA Dynamic Capacity Intelligence to avoid controller failover. Install one agent on every LPAR that you want to collect MSU data and manage capacity, including where the DCI controller resides. In a standard setup, we recommend that you have at least one or two BCPII-enabled agents on each central processor complex. For more information about CA DCI architecture, CA DCI interfaces, and how to use the interfaces, refer to CA DCI online documentation on techdocs.broadcom.com. Thank you for watching.